other day whenever I attempted this with my gimbal, it was just picking up a load of noise. So I figured I'd try it again today. This time put them both basically on tripods here. The Hero 7 is right here on the GoPro's 3-in-1, and to its side is the GoPro Hero 5. So didn't really matter back then, they were all blacks, but these are both blacks too. So yeah, I'm going to cut these on and then do a little audio testing and go from there. Just kind of talking here. Now let's see if we can walk around a little bit and see what it sounds like. Got a little bit of aerial noise here. I'm also wanting to walk kind of into the harsh sunlight a little bit. The other day when I did this, the Hero 7 looked really well. It took the harsh light a lot better. So just kind of curious if that continues or if it was an anomaly. Got a little bit of ambient noise. A little bit of aircraft. Cannot tell you the name of this park. Can't pronounce it. It's like Chilla something. But basically this is the famous Flatirons Mountain in Boulder, Colorado. Look way under the city of Boulder, so not really that far outside of town. Doesn't take much to get here. Very iconic. You can actually climb those and you could drive up back behind them. A lot of scenic views. Once you get up atop and around, you can actually see a lot of the mountain peaks that Colorado's known for. Indian peaks, a lot of peaks from Rocky Mountain National Park and so on. Alrighty, just kind of doing a little audio test here. Walk back some and then I'll go from there. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully it turns out especially a lot better than my first attempt at audio comparison. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, hopefully it's helpful, beneficial, if not at least entertaining. Please check out my other videos. Thanks for watching this one, and definitely have a great day.